Yo guys, today we are using the lightning fruit for PvP. I literally traded for 3 weeks straight, no grass touch, 0 sunlight just to get perm lightning. Smell me through the screen, I stink.
Ew!
But hey, I finally got the green lightning skin. Let's equip this bad boy right now. Not gonna lie, it has been 8 months plus when lightning rework dropped, and it is still broken. The AoE hitbox is the size of a Walmart. Here is the super sweaty try-hard build we are running. Spiky Trident, Soul Guitar, Swan Glasses, God-Human Fighting Style, Ghoul Race, and Fruit Main Stats. Basically, I am a walking natural disaster. Here is the combo. Memorize it. There will be a pop quiz later. Alright, enough yapping. Let's jump into a public server and make some 30 million bounty players cry to their mommies. Let's get it! Look at this guy. 29.8 million bounty. He thinks he is the main character. Not today, buddy. Let's send him home. I hit the full combo, everything landed. I even prayed for this hitbox to work and... What? His bounty buff saved him? Are you joking? Bruh, he stole my kill. Someone call the police. I am being robbed. Aight, round 2. You are not getting away this time. Sit down. 29.8 million bounty. More like 0.0 million after I am done with you. Get wrecked. Oh, look who it is. He came back for seconds. He is actually comboing me. I am getting folded like a laundry shirt. Wait, okay, my turn. You had your fun. Now it is time for you to taste some high voltage rejection. Zap. Gone. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. Another 29 million bounty player has entered the chat. What is this? A bounty buffet? Let's take his lunch money. Come here, boy. Imagine having 29 million bounty plus the buff and V4 and Kitsune, and you still lose to a lightning bolt. Yikes. Someone check this guy's monitor. I think it is turned off. You are dead, LOL. Delete the game, uninstall, and go play Roblox. Wait, this is Roblox. Go play outside. Peace. Oh, I killed that 29.8 million bro again. 3x3 W, man. Let's go. He's already one shot. Look at him. He is literally running for his life. Now even the 30 millions are running? Bro, come here. Where are you going? No, bruh. Are you serious? This guy just stole my kill.
Bruh.
I did all the work, I emptied his health bar, and he just swooped in. This is a scam. Someone call the authorities. Yeah, now run. That's what you can do with 29.8 million bounty. Shame on your bounty. This bro really hasn't learned his lesson. I have officially deleted him 4 times in a row. He started at 29.8 and now he is down to 29.6. My man is literally going bankrupt because of me. Keep the donations coming, sir. Too much lag, my laptop is screaming like a jet engine. Swapping servers to find some victims. Let's go. Bro came out of the cafe just to get sent right back in. Sorry, room service is closed. He's one hit and he's running? 11 million bounty, 0 respect. Why does everyone run? I take the L like a man, not like these clowns. Get back here. You can't outrun this lightning. Sit down. Seriously, grind some actual skill, not just marathon miles. Am I playing Blox fruit or is this marathon fruit? Seriously. My legs are tired, bro. Stop running and fight like a man. And there it is. The marathon is over. Sit down, kid. I hopped to a fresh server because I was done with the marathon runners. I just want some clean PvP, and look at this. Easiest kill steal of my life. Sorry, not sorry, buddy. Another runner? Seriously? What are these Blox fruit players eating? This is a fighting game, not a cardio simulator. And sit down, you're done. Wait, I definitely folded him. But the game didn't even give me the kill credit. Doesn't matter. He's still on the floor. Dead is dead. Sit down. Switching to fast mode because my recording was lagging. Graphics are officially trash now. I'm playing on a potato. But hey, at least it's smooth. Let's see who's next. I was AFK for a minute, and he still couldn't get the kill?
Bruh.
I was literally about to server hop, and this guy comes back for seconds? Bro, what is going through your head? You really want another one that bad? Well, here you go. Back to the spawn screen. They needs to go check with a doctor because something is definitely wrong with them. This dragon user is seriously getting on my nerves. Enough of this. Let's get him. Time to put this lizard back in its cage. I'm feeling good now. 28.7 million down, stay humble. And yeah, that is a wrap. If you enjoyed me bullying people with electricity, smash that like button. Also, go watch my Kitsune PvP video from last time, or I will literally hide under your bed tonight. Comment down below if I should make a full brain-dead guide on lightning, or tell me what other videos you want to see. Join my Discord server in the description to talk to me and the gang. Peace out, nerds.
I am under your bed. Watch out.